Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to draw a SpongeBob. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button. So first we need some drawing supplies. We need markers, pencil and some papers, and we are also using a marker because we are going to color with marker at very end. So let's first use our pencil and we are going to draw SpongeBob eyes. So first we are going to draw two circles. We are going to draw them about this size, make it look like a circle. There you go. And then you can add another circle right next to the first one, and you want to make sure that they touch. Let's add his nose. We are gonna draw an upside down U in between the two eyes. We are gonna come up around and then back down. Now let's draw his cheek. We are going to draw the left cheek first. We are going to come around like this, and we are going to draw an upside down U. Then we are going to do the same thing over here. Draw another upside down U for his right cheek. Oh, I forgot it to use a marker, so I'm using the marker on this pencil because eyes we have to make it by pencil. I will tell you later what we have to do. So make sure we have to make all the other things from the marker. Now we have to draw his mouth. We start here inside from his cheek, and we are going to draw him happy. We are going to come down like this, and then we are going to come back up, and we will stop inside his cheek and add little cheeks lines inside. Let's add teeth. We will draw two lines coming down from the middle of his smile, and then we are going to draw a line that come out on the left, and then we will draw that same length line on the right side. Then we are going to draw a line that connect back up to the smile on each side. Now we are going to draw over the pencil. For both sides. Then we are going to use the eraser, and we are just going to erase the eye that going through his cheek. And also erase the eye that going through his nose, both eyes, and we can do the same thing on this cheek over here. Remove all the shaving away. Now let's draw as people. First we are going to draw a circle that's about this size. We are going to draw it. So now we are going to draw another circle over here, same size. Then we are going to color in those little circle. Then we have to draw another circle that come around, that's bigger. This is for the blue part of his eyes, and then we are going to draw another one the same size over here. Now we are going to add his little chin over his lips underneath his tongue. We are going to draw a little curve, come up in the middle, back down, and then back up. And now we are going to draw his head, and we are going to draw a wavy line. Then after that we have to do the same thing down lower, right underneath his chin, but we are going to make the same wavy line. We are going to come down and we have to make it shorter. Now we are going to draw the sides. We are going to start over here, and we have to draw a corner or rounded corner first, and then we are going to draw that wiggly lines coming down like this, and then at the very bottom we are going to draw another rounded corner at the very bottom. Now it's like a sponge. So both sides you have to make it same exactly. Now let's draw his square pant. We are going to draw a diagonal line that come down over here on the right, and also diagonal line over here on the left. Just draw a straight line to connect these two. Now let's draw a collar. So both side. Now let's draw a tie. We are going to draw the knot first. We are going to come down and then back up. Then we are going to draw the bottom part of his tie, and then we have to draw his pant. We are going to split this shape in half, so we are going to measure with our eye. We are going to draw a line that comes straight across and connect to the tie in the middle. We have to imagine it going behind his tie and coming across and connecting to other side. Now let's draw the bottom of his pant. We have to make it both side. It's like look like a shorts, and then we have to draw his legs sticking out of his short. We will draw two lines coming down out of that one, and also this one, two skinny legs. Yeah, we have to make sure we are leaving room of his shoes all the way down here at the bottom. We are going to connect the bottom of his legs. Now let's draw the shoe. We have to make two bubbles. One is small and one is big one, and which is connect with the heel, and same exactly we have to follow to the next leg. Same two bubbles, one is small and one is big, and connect with the heel. Now we have to draw his short sleeve. First we will start here right below the sponge of his shirt. We are going to draw a little curve that come out like that and then connect it up to the sponge. Now we are going to draw his hand and arm, and they come right next to his body. We are going to come down and stop at the bottom of his square pant. Now let's draw his hand. We are going to draw a curve that come out like this, and we are going to curve down. Now let's draw his thumb right here. We are going to draw a U inside of that little curve. Now let's draw another finger coming into his thumb, and then last finger which should be connected to his pant. Now do this, repeat the same thing this side over here. Make a curve, then thumb, and then another finger, and the last finger which should be connected to his pant. We finished drawing SpongeBob. Now we have to color it this full drawing. First we will start from the yellow color. hope you enjoyed the drawing of SpongeBob. For more crafty fun videos and drawings like this, be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification to be alerted for new crafty fun videos and drawings when they come out. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.